What are the best scents to use as a raccoon repellent?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to be talking about a common problem many homeowners face: raccoons. These adorable yet pesky creatures can wreak havoc on your trash bins and gardens. But did you know that there are certain scents that can help keep these critters at bay? Today, we're going to reveal the best scents to use as raccoon repellents.
Why use scents as raccoon repellents?
Raccoons have an extraordinary sense of smell, which they use to find food. However, there are some smells that they find unpleasant or repelling. Using these scents is a humane way to deter raccoons from your property. No harm comes to the raccoons, they simply choose to go elsewhere.
What are the most effective scents?
Now, let's talk about the scents that can deter raccoons. 1. Ammonia. Raccoons associate the strong smell of ammonia with predator urine, making it an effective raccoon repellent. 2. Mint. The strong scent of mint is disliked by many pests, including raccoons. Planting mint around your property or using mint-scented garbage bags can help deter these critters. 3. Hot pepper. The strong, spicy smell of hot peppers can also deter raccoons. Sprinkling cayenne pepper around your property or making a homemade spray can be effective. 4. Garlic. Much like hot pepper, the strong, pungent smell of garlic can repel raccoons. Consider planting garlic in your garden or making a garlic-based spray. 5. Vinegar. The sharp smell of vinegar can be off-putting to raccoons. Using vinegar-soaked rags or a vinegar spray can keep raccoons at bay.
How to use these scents?
Using these scents as raccoon repellents is simple. For solid substances like mint, cayenne pepper, and garlic, you can plant them around your property or sprinkle them in areas where raccoons frequent. For liquids like ammonia and vinegar, you can soak rags in them and place the rags in raccoon-prone areas, or create a spray to mist around your property. Always remember to reapply these substances regularly, as their effectiveness can wear off with time or due to weather conditions. There you have it. Those are the top scents that can act as raccoon repellents. Remember, it's always best to use humane methods when dealing with wildlife. By using these scents, you can keep raccoons away from your property while ensuring their safety. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps in your battle against raccoons.